Hey everybody, this is Todd Toven, and today I want to show you how to make my thin and crispy barbecue chicken pizza. These are perfect for an entree or as an appetizer, and you can even use them for game day. First things first, Blackstone Griddle on medium heat, and my old friend olive oil. Today I'm using chicken breast cutlets. If you want to use chicken breasts, you can use them, but you just have to watch the temperature to make sure that the chicken is evenly cooked. And we're going to season these with salt, pepper, and garlic. I like to use granulated or garlic powder. Sometimes fresh garlic can burn, so it's just easier to sprinkle a little garlic powder on there. When the bottom looks good, I'll flip the chicken and we'll season the second side. You might have to flip your chicken a few times. The thing about griddle cooking is it's interactive. So if you need a little more color on your chicken, leave it on there a little longer, flip it a few more times. You're gonna remove the chicken from the griddle. You're gonna slice that up into small pieces. Once we have our chicken cut up, let's not forget our onion and cilantro. I like to mince the red onion, small pieces, and then chop the cilantro for the finishing touch, but we'll get to that later. And now we're gonna put the pizza together. The griddle is on low. We're gonna put down a little bit of olive oil and then a 10-inch flour tortilla. My favorite barbecue sauce, I like one that's sweet for this recipe, followed by a shredded Monterey Jack mixture, my diced chicken, some of the minced red onion, and then we're gonna finish it off with some chopped cilantro because I like cilantro on everything. We'll put some water down on the griddle top, the basting dome, get some steam under there, and melt that cheese. Let's move that back over to the cutting board. Cut that pizza up into 4 slices, and the finishing touch, just a little more of that barbecue sauce. Take a look at that. Let's give it a try. Delicious. That really hit the spot. So easy to make, and you can impress your friends and family. If you don't like barbecue sauce, try it with pesto sauce. Try it with marinara, with mozzarella and basil. But thin and crispy griddle pizzas are where it's at. If you want this recipe and more, you can just visit us at blackstoneproducts.com. Sorry.
How many bites do you need?
They're perfect as an entree or an appetizer, and you can even use them for game day.
Your cell phone goes on.
One more time. Thin and crispy griddle pizza. Whoa, everybody, it's Blackstone Betty. You can't just bite one bite.
I don't know if you know, but we have a nickname. This is old 2-Bite Todd.
Go, eat it.
So good, but if I was to judge this one up, I'd add a little bit.